how to fix WhatsApp black screen on incoming calls. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you if you are facing their problem, like when you receive call from someone and when you answer it, your screen turn black. Like after that, when you click home button or side button, but it doesn't work. So how you guys can fix that? So the first thing first, like some people will say you need to do setting etc. Like maybe that was the reason, but if you are facing their problem, the main reason was your screen protector. Like maybe you installed the protector and it was on top of the sensor that makes them towards a black screen. Also, you need to check mobile hardware, and also you need to see if your phone is okay. If these things are okay, after that you need to simply go to WhatsApp app, like for example here. Now you will hold that. Here you guys will see app info, simply click on app info. Now you guys will go to storage usage. The first thing first, you guys will see cache, clear cache, you simply clear cache. After that you will go to WhatsApp. Now in WhatsApp, let's click on WhatsApp. Here you guys will click on top right ground 3 lines. Now settings. Here you guys will see account privacy, avatar. This chart, so simply click on charts. Now here you guys will see teens, so simply click on teen. Now you guys simply click on system default. After that click on OK. After that your WhatsApp will be fixed. So there's how you guys can do that. If that doesn't work, the problem will be your phone, like your phone glass or hardware or any other physical problem that cause WhatsApp black screen, because sometimes hands up doesn't work. So that's how you guys can fix that. Thanks for watching.